Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this ZTE. First of all, you need to open Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and tap on System and Update. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and the Gboard. Finally, click on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Now you can click on Show More at the bottom right corners and tap on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Now you can manage keyboarders thanks to this sorter, and when you're ready, save your keyboard by choosing Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But if you wish to, you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up, and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Now adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Finally, manage keyboarders and choose Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. But if you wish to, you can always edit your keyboard by going into the same settings, tapping on the chosen one and tapping on this pen icon. Now make your changes. And remember to hit Apply one more time. In order to delete your keyboard though, you need to tap on it again, but this time select this pin icon next to keyboarders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!